Buy some cotton dress for your baby with knots. Of course, for few days you are not allowed to put heavy dress for baby as their neck part is so soft. You can buy some onesies for your baby. This type of dress is called onesie, which is easy to change your baby's nappy. You will need a romper if your baby is getting delivered in winter season. This kind of dress is called romper. Also, you can use these kind of dresses for photo shoots of your baby. You will need kittens, mittens, also a cap when you are about to leave the hospitals, because you are not allowed to take the baby out without complete suit, as babies are highly sensitive and less immune. You will need a bed to receive your baby for the first time and to carry outdoor. You will need a hoodie towel for your baby. Hoodie towel is nothing but a towel which comes with a hoodie. You will need a hoodie towel to swaddle your baby so that your baby will have a good sleep. And if you want to step out of your home, you will need this hoodie towel. A must-have in baby's list is a sweater or a sweatshirt. This is the baby kit. You should have a set of diapers for your baby. It should be in the size newborn, that is 0. From my personal experience, Pampers and Mammy Poco pants are good. Actually, Mammy Poco pants are better when compared to other products. You should have some wet wipes to clean up your baby. In wet wipes, Pampers and Himalaya is good. Coming to baby shampoo, lotion and bathing bar, Sebamed is the best brand. My baby haven't experienced any skincare issues till now. Also, Himalaya is the affordable and good option among the baby products. So you can go for Himalaya too. And this is my baby's tiny powder box with sponge. You will need a urine mat or a quick dry mat for your baby. If you want to leave your baby on floor free from diaper, then you will need this for sure. You should have some cloth diapers for your baby. You can buy diapers with easily removable option. This is a sticker type cloth diaper, comes with a removable cloth pad. By using this, you can make your baby free from cotton diaper for some time. This is hand towel set. You can use this whenever you feed your baby to wipe lips. These are all the basic cotton bath towels. You should have some cotton bath towels in long size. This is common towels in medium size. You will need a good feeding bottle for your baby. I prefer Philips Avent as it is the best among BPA free products. You can buy extra nipples for your feeding bottle so that you can replace it anytime. Also, you must have a pacifier, which is nipple-like rubber for your baby. It will be more helpful when your baby sleeps during night time. Again, I prefer Philips brand in this, and this is for 0 to 6 months baby. If you are well organized, you can be stress-free while searching for products in your maternity bag. I will show you the best way to pack your things. I advise you to buy a packing bag set from online or any comfortable bags that you like. Here comes your baby kit bag. This is a bag which comes with a mesh. You can carry your baby kit in this, and it's really easy to pick your baby things from this bag. Next comes your newborn receiving kit. You should have a new dress in cotton material and another set as per your wish. Also, you can have your onesies, a cotton cloth and a hoodie towel in this bag. Next is mittens and kittens bag, which should contain all the mittens, kittens, caps and the shoes. Next comes the towel bag, where you can keep all your towels. You can keep your cloth diaper in a separate bag like this. I carried a separate pouch for my dress so that nothing gets collapsed. You will need a bag to have your used clothes and things separately, so carry some additional bags and newspapers for emergency. And that's it for our maternity bag. Please comment if anything is missed in our maternity bag list. Also, leave your comment if this maternity bag idea helped you. Happy motherhood! Bye bye!